Welcome to This Explainer. Let's dive right into the living blueprint of our future, population structures.
Sure, we all obsess over raw numbers, but what invisible forces actually sculpt a population over time?
We use population pyramids for this. It's basically a visual snapshot of a society's age and gender mix.
Three key architects are constantly molding these pyramids: fertility, mortality, and, well, migration.
First up, natural increase. This just means a country is having way more births than deaths.
High birth rates stretch that pyramid base super wide, while low birth rates kind of shrink it down.
Take Niger. Their birth rate is so high, a literal 50% of the population is under 15. On the flip side, places like Japan have super low birth rates, creating a tiny, narrow base. Now, mortality actually determines height. High death rates mean shorter life expectancies and super narrow pyramid tops.
But throw in better healthcare, death rates fall, and that top stretches out wider and taller.
That wider top visually represents a booming elderly dependent group. Basically, lots more folks over 65.
Next is our wild card, net migration. That's just the balance of folks entering versus leaving a country. Migration is totally selective, though. Young adults, often single or with kids, are way more likely to move.
When young workers leave, their home areas suffer. They're left aging, carrying a much higher dependency burden.
Meanwhile, destination cities absorb those workers, creating massive, booming bulges right in the middle of their population pyramids.
In places like the UK, high immigration actually spikes the birth rate as young immigrant families settle down.
All these shifting dynamics create a massive global demographic divide in how different regions actually grow today.
While natural increase drives most countries, net migration is the real growth engine for places like Australia.
Here's the catch, though. International migration is totally unpredictable, making long-term demographic forecasting a massive headache.
So, natural increase or migration, which of these dynamic forces is actively reshaping your country's future right now?